Hello everyone, welcome to the news report. Today we're going to be looking at this criminally insane guy. Let's take a look. His name is Hong Nam Shi La, age 27. He's insane since he was 5 years old. This is how it looks. He robbed 25 banks and the police still searching for Hong Nam. If you see this guy, call 911 immediately. The next report is about this guy named Saint _. He has a YouTube channel that really sucks. Don't watch it. His name is Sainto, and his channel name is named Saint _. Don't watch him. And that is it for the report for today. If you want more, please support. This video is sponsored by Carlo. Bye.